Hey guys, and welcome to this brand new episode of the Crypto Intel. My name is Mark, and in today's episode, we're going to be checking out the Litentry. It's currently being listed on Binance as LIT. And for those that don't know what the LIT token is, well, as you can see, it's a decentralized cross-chain identity aggregator built on Substrate, which is a rather interesting project. What I do like about this project is that when the founders actually went on Binance, they have not dumped all of their tokens, which is great, right? Because tons of projects on Binance, you see founders that do that, and the founding team, they start dumping their tokens, so everyone's on a loss from day one. And I got burned like that multiple times because I do trade since 2017, and I do anywhere from 30 to 40 flips a day, and I can make anywhere from 1% to 2% approximately per flip, which leaves me at 30 to 40% in gains per day. And I definitely want to teach you guys how I do that. So if you're curious, please hit that notification bell and subscribe to this channel so that I can direct you in further videos. So without further ado, let's check it out. It's currently being traded at $3.98 on Binance, and the trading volume is really low, although it's still a really good coin for the month of June. And let me tell you why. Well, the first reason being the fact that it has just traversed a huge bear run since weeks and weeks. So finally, it's time to shine for this coin. It's at the lowest price right now, so tons of unfortunate losers. I'm not talking about losers in person, I'm talking about losers in gains. Tons of losers. So, they have sold all of their coins. It's now on a discount, and there's not a lot of buy volume. So actually, if we do have a look at, like, if we zoom in just a little bit, we can see what's going on. So there's a steady price adjustment right now at anywhere between the, let's see here, the $2 mark and $4 mark, which is a great adjustment considering the fact that it has been bouncing from 18 bucks all the way to the previous support level of $6, which is a very large difference. So, people are starting to buy in, as you can clearly see right here. So it's gaining a little bit of ground, but only, $17 million in the past 24 hours. So not a lot of movement, which is great. It's perfect for you to jump in and enjoy the coin for June. So yes, going forward into the month of June, this coin definitely has tremendous potential for both the flippers and the holders, simply because of the huge slump that we were talking about previously. So if we do a little zoom here, just to understand what has happened, look, someone already has bought in. And we're talking about a very large buy. This buy trumps tons of buys right here. So still kind of be careful, if you want to flip this, these are gonna get out of their positions very soon. So that's the thing. It's probably gonna, go towards the upward momentum at this point because there was so much loss in the passing days that finally the coin has stabilized. So again, my prediction for this coin, it's rather difficult to do, but there's definitely something about this coin that has some potential because of all of this that was going on. So we were talking about the mid-June. It will probably be, because there's a breakout. Wow, this is really hard to tell. This is like the first time I think that it's very difficult for me to tell you what will happen. Simply because, look, you got the support level that is the minimum level for this coin. It's at 25 cents, right? At this point, it's trading at 383, which is basically showing us that there's no bottom to this coin as to how much it can fall. Like tomorrow it can slump like crazy all the way to the 25 cents, and then it would explode. Still, if you're a holder, I think because it did hit previous highs, as you can see here, the 18 cents, but obviously this was the founder pump and dump, and these previous support levels, well, damn it, it's hard to say. Maybe you're like laughing your ass over there. But let's just try to understand what will happen. Like, I would definitely not recommend this coin for the month of June because of its unpredictable nature. I'm thinking that if the Bitcoin fares well, it will probably hit the previous support level that was at $6. So you might be seeing approximately 2.5x returns in mid June, so 250%. But that has like 20% chances of happening because of the huge down slump that was happening. So there was tons of hungry people out here wanting to get their returns. So even if you're trying to do something here, they're gonna cash out. um that's the thing. So I do not recommend this coin for June. I'm sorry. Unless it pumps, then there is some predictions to be made and some variations for it, because the volatility that is created by a pump is rather easy to measure. So at that point, I would be able to make some predictions. But if we have a look at the 15-minute mark, so um, this is really for the flippers because there's not a lot of action going on in this coin. So I would even like, I'm a flipper. I would not come in at this price. Like, it's still too high. It will probably fall down somewhere over here, and then it would restart its climb. Like, this is the way I see it. So if you want to trade this coin, trade it at 3.3 dollars. That would be good, but don't come in now. Like, this is my recommendation. So be careful. This is my thought for the Litentry. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and I basically recommend you to do all of your research before you jump into a coin. As you can see, the market can be extremely bearish. It really depends of when you come into a coin. So let me know what you think. I'd love to know your opinion. Hit like if you like this video. Hit dislike if you don't like it. Let me know why. All right, guys, looking forward to the next video.